Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G5S Plus and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by sliding to the left, where we get access to other modes of this camera, and in the video mode we have the slow motion. When we tap on it, we can start recording this kind of video by using this big red button here, so let me start to show you how it works. And now let's start by tapping again on this button, and let's move to the right corner at the bottom to this one, so we get quick access to the gallery and we can see our video. Let's play it by tapping on the center. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.